Understanding drone GPS, enhancing your drone flying experience. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, especially for those of you who are fascinated by drones and technology. We are going to dive into the world of drone GPS, unraveling what it means and why it's so important for drone enthusiasts. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Before we jump into the main topic, let's first understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a flying device controlled by a remote control or a software program. Drones are used for various purposes including photography, surveillance, agriculture, and entertainment. They come in different shapes and sizes, each serving different needs. Now, let's talk about GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System, a satellite-based navigation system that allows anyone with a GPS device to determine their precise location, latitude, longitude, and altitude, anywhere on Earth. GPS is used in various applications including navigation in vehicles, smartphones, and of course, drones. Combining the two, drone GPS is a technology used in drones to help them navigate and fly accurately. With a GPS module integrated into the drone, it can communicate with satellites to receive real-time location data. This ensures that the drone knows exactly where it is, helping it to fly more accurately, follow predetermined flight paths, and return to its starting point safely. There are numerous benefits to using GPS in drones. Some of the most significant include enhanced stability. GPS helps in stabilizing the drone during flight, especially in windy conditions. Accurate navigation. Drones with GPS can follow precise flight paths and waypoints, which is crucial for tasks like surveying and agriculture. Return to home feature. One of the most loved features, GPS enables a drone to return to its starting point automatically if it loses connection with the remote control. To make the most out of your drone's GPS capabilities, here are some tips. Ensure clear sky visibility. For the GPS to work effectively, make sure you are flying the drone in an area with clear visibility to the sky. Update firmware regularly. Manufacturers often release firmware updates that improve GPS performance and accuracy. Calibrate before flight. Ensure that your drone's GPS is calibrated before each flight for the best performance. And that wraps up our discussion on drone GPS. We hope that this video has provided you with a clear understanding of what drone GPS is and how it can enhance your drone flying experience. Remember, a well-navigated drone ensures a safe and enjoyable flight. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content. Happy flying!